Hey friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about 7 companies that rule the world. Walmart. Walmart is an American multinational retail corporation which controls departmental stores and supermarkets. It was founded by Sam Walton in 1962. It has over 11,000 stores in over 30 countries under different names. It has the world's largest revenue with $514 billion. It has over 22 lakh employees and the Walmart is owned by Sam Walton's family. Its first store is in California. Its main agenda is to provide the customers best products in budget price. So that's why the customers made it a monopoly, and it also listed in top 1 in Fortune 500 list. Number 2, Pfizer. Pfizer is an American multinational pharmaceutical company headed in New York City. It is one of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies. It was founded by Charles Pfizer and Charles Eratin in 1849 after the Industrial Revolution. This company develops and produces medicines and vaccines for a wide range of medical uses including immunology, cardiology, endocrinology, and neurology. It produced revolutionary drugs like atorvastatin, pregabalin, and many things like that. It is a company not only produces drugs but also develops drugs. It has a net income of $16.5 billion and had total revenue of $167 billion. It has more than 88,300 employees. Due to its reasonable price and quality, the people made it a monopoly. Number 3, Amazon. I think everyone in the planet probably know this company. It is an American multinational technology company based in Seattle that focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. It has been one of the top 5 companies in technology by share price. Amazon is known for its distribution of well-established industries through technological innovation in mass scale. Coming to its biography, Amazon was founded by Jeff Bezos in Bellevue, Washington on 1994 in small garage which sells books and electronics, and it has many achievements. It surpassed Walmart as most valuable retailer, has revenue of $280 billion, and present CEO of it is Jeff Bezos. Its main intention is to make people digitalize trading through e-commerce. Volkswagen and Toyota. Volkswagen is a German automobile company which was founded by German Labor Front in 1937. It has headquarters in Wolfsburg and its company in which it provides cars at reasonable cost. Due to its premium quality, everyone became fan to it, and it owns big companies like Bugatti, Bentley, Porsche, etc. Toyota is a Japanese multinational company which is manufacturer of automobiles. It has more than 100,000 employees and over the world. It has 10th largest company by revenue. It is the world's first automobile manufacturer to produce more than 10 million vehicles per year. Coming to its biography, it was founded by Kiricho Toyoda about 85 years ago in 1937. There is a city named Toyoda in Japan. Has a revenue of $275 billion, and these two companies made their kingdom in automobile industry. Nestle. Food lovers might have been familiar with it. Nestle is the largest Swiss multinational food and drink processing company. It is the world's largest food company measured by revenue and also other metrics. It has ranked number 64 in Fortune Global 500. It is also producing baby food, water, medical food, cereals, and other products, and it owns most of the food processing companies like Nespresso, Nescafe, KitKat, Smarties, and our 2-Minute Maggie. It expanded its empire around 190 countries, and itself invented condensed milk. Apple. one of the most valuable brands in the world. Apple is an American multinational technology company in Cupertino, California. It is also considered as one of the big technology companies alongside Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Facebook. Its products are iPhone, iPad, iPod, and Mac, and also Apple Watches. It also has software includes macOS, iOS, watchOS, and tvOS. It also owns editing software called Final Cut Pro. Apple was founded by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak in 1976 as a computer making company. It is a $1 trillion company which has revenue of $260 billion per annum. The first PC launched by Apple is Macintosh, and due to its premium products and clean UI, it became the world's largest tech company in the world. Alphabet. You might have thinking that this is a new company. Yes, but it is the parent company of most trusted and valuable company Google. It was founded by reconstructing of Google on October 2nd, 2015, and it was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. It is the world's fourth largest company by revenue and one of the most valuable companies. Actually, Alphabet was made to core Google more cleaner and accountable, and presently Sundar Pichai is the CEO of Alphabet. It has a revenue of $161 billion per annum. If you like my explanation, please like this video and also share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.